My name is Saksham and I'm a grade 10 student at Gems Modern Academy, Gurgaon. I have designed a framing square which gives precise reading of the angles. The fasteners help you to adjust the angles. I have designed the model of the long arm, short arm fastener using the platform called Tinkercad. After designing, I downloaded the file in the STL format and then converted it into a file format which is suitable for my 3D printer using flash print. The long and the short arm will be connected using the screw and the fastener. After printing it, this is how we assemble the components. After this, the tool is ready. It is a simple machine tool which is useful and innovative. Thank you. This is one of the use of the framing square.